Change can be really hard, especially if you've been doing something the same way for years. As a creator, trying new things outside of my comfort zone is probably my biggest goal for 2024. And if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you probably know that I love doing the same two things: being behind the camera at all costs and having no dialogue at all. And I want to change that. This year I wanna learn how to get comfortable talking to you guys more, being in front of the camera more, developing my own style through different editing and filming techniques, and even learning to use different equipment. Because yes, after probably 6 years of making videos, I still don't know how to use a tripod. So I thought, what better opportunity to work on those skills, to try new things as a creator than during my winter break from college. But of course, it would be easy if I was actually doing something or going somewhere. So you and I, we're gonna go on a little trip to Mexico. So the first night at Mexico couldn't have been better. Just being able to embrace the culture and see everything firsthand, the music, the people, and just the overall vibes. I couldn't have started the trip in a better way. One thing I was really excited for going into this trip was trying the food. But I'll be honest, what we've eaten so far had been just a little underwhelming. So for breakfast, we decided to give the restaurant next to our hotel a try, and I like trying out new dishes. So I ordered the burrito norteño, and oh my goodness, it was amazing. But after eating, it was time to pack our bags, check out, and make our way to the next resort. Hello vlog. One big reflection to bring with me going into this new year it would be to definitely take risks. Stop caring so much about what people think. It's cliche, but I feel like it's easier said than done. I feel like that's something I'm gonna definitely try to work on this coming new year and do things that I truly want to do. Go for those dreams, go for those goals. Here's some more growth for the new year. Guys, this is the Hilton. We made it. I'm actually in the buffet, and this is my first time doing something all-inclusive, which basically means the food, the drinks, everything is unlimited, which is just crazy.
Yeah.
Great. Many of you guys don't know, but a lot of my camera inspo shots for this video have been inspired by my sister here. What would you say is your mentality when doing shots, photo, video in public?
I feel like at this point, a lot of people don't think about it, but it's kind of normalized already. You see all of these YouTubers already getting the shot, and I think that recording in public, it could feel embarrassing. I feel like the reward is bigger. You got the shot after you got the shot you wanted. It stays it has an impact on the viewer's mind. I feel like if you're a passerby watching that happen, your thought isn't oh, what are they doing? Your thought is oh, that's actually so cool.
I wish I could do that.
Yeah.
The more you do it, the better you get at it.
Yeah.
So I have my mom here. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
This video has been mostly about growth so far.
Growth.
Growth. Yeah. So.
Who's growth?
Growth. Wow. What would you say is your biggest takeaway from 2023?
nothing is too big to overcome.
Nothing is impossible to overcome.
Well, make sure you do something not just for yourself, but also for others. You don't live just for yourself. It would make life more meaningful.
Let's cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers. After a long day, it was time for the New Year's Eve festivities. And just like that, it was already day 3. Here I have the Cuzzo Ali, my other fellow vlogger on this trip. So let's do a quick little food haul. What's on our plate?
What's on my plate?
So for
Go
me,
ahead.
I have a sausage,
Uh-huh.
scrambled eggs, egg whites, pulled pork, and bacon.
Yeah. I got tamales. My first time trying tamales.
No, I think
It's sweet. It's good.
it's good.
Probably not the first thing I'll get from the buffet.
Try some tamales.
Yeah, try some tamales.
We getting mic'd up. We getting mic'd up.
Oh, kill. Oh,
Another habit I need to practice is truly being present in life. I feel like our minds are always racing to the next thing that we can never truly appreciate what we have right now, where we are right now. Oh man. Because yeah, while we should embrace change, don't look ahead so much. Because these moments, they're all one of a kind. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single one. Yep. It's time. First takes left. First, oh yeah, left. Welcome back, guys. So, first taste of alcohol, 2024.
yeah.
Go alcohol.
Go alcohol. Cheers.
Yeah.
2024.
That was disgusting. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Yeah, it's been a really good trip so far. So this year reminder, if you can, and you have the means to do it, go out there and travel. Beautiful morning. It's the last full day here in Mexico. Time flies. We're gonna be touring the Mayan ruins, I'm pretty sure. Tulum was pretty cool. There were a lot of different shops, views of the ruins, a lot of these guys, and just a lot of amazing sights.
I bet, look at yourself like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
No doubt you changed in some way. Seeing that, like you were able to achieve that. So doing this, like you can do it. You can do it.
The entrees came out. What I ordered is what is this called? A New York strip and a skirt steak with sides of mashed potato and rice. I'm gonna pretend that I didn't already try it. Cheers. It's probably the best food I've had this whole trip. We should have eaten here all 3 nights. Unfortunately, the time had finally come to pack and go home. If you made it this far, thank you for sticking around. As always, trying my best to grow as a creator. Hope you all are having a great start to your new year. Hope you guys set goals, just not let this new year pass by. Just trying to make the most of it.
But it's not horrible.
Yeah, just
It's
keep
not bad.
going. You're doing great.
Yeah.
Try something
feel
that makes you
but
feel
then
more
I
like
feel like
you.
the reward
Hope
is
your
like
dreams come
bigger.
true. Just gotta keep growing out there. Hope your new resolutions come true. Stay true to yourself.
Nothing is
Impossible to overcome. The more you do it, the better you get at it.
Yeah.
Here's some more growth for the new year. Thanks for sticking around.